Before we go to the breakout rooms, we'll just leave with you a message from our very special guest. Is a celebrity in the Philippines. Ewan ko lang kung kilala siya ng ating mga PhilAms. But he wanted to share this message to our and performance to our learners. Yan, oh, surprise. Tapos after this performance, then we'll do the breakout room. So, take over na si Ezekiel and Mara and Emmer. I'm still gonna be around, but sila na yung mag-e-end nito. Okay? So, enjoy your breakout rooms. And here, we present to you our special guest for our Click Me Paskuhan. Si, jarararan! Ogie Alcacid. Yay! Okay, here.
Hello, si Ogie Alcacid po ito at pinabati ko ang lahat ng bumubuo ng Click Me Chika Paskuhan ng Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hope you enjoyed this performance. God bless.
And inject all those elements like in a game show.
So game show, Christmas Carol.
Yeah, maybe we should try the Christmas alphabet, tas paramihan tayo ng alam na Christmas carols.
See, so you think I'm gonna quit, huh?
Right, so we can determine who's
Let's
in
make it
or
Ateneo
who's
Lasal.
out.
Sino kaya mananalo dito?
So who's in or who's out?
Ateneo Lasal. Let's see
Okay.
who's in and who's out.
Okay, here we go. Let's go. Let's try. Alphabet, alphabet.
Alphabet. So where do we start?
Ang Pasko ay sumapit ba?
Bagong taon ay magbagong buhay ka.
Kahit di Pasko ay magbigayan.
Very nice.
Da.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
Gotta find out who's naughty or nice. Ha!
Have yourself a merry little Christmas Eve.
It's Christmas time in the city.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, ma.
Manubunin ng na.
Nang si Kristo'y isilang, ma.
Nang si Kristo'y isilang. Oh!
Come, all ye faithful. Pa.
Para pa pam pam. Ra.
Ra. Ra pa pam pam.
Papam.
Sa.
Sa. Sa pa pam pam. Eto, to. Ta.
Ta.
Tingnan natin ang galing mo sa ta.
Highland night, holy night. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Yeah.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Yeah, baby. Eto na. Z, Z, or Z.
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 Okay. Silver bells, silver bells.
Soon it will be Christmas Day. It's out. I think we're both in.
Let's call it square.
Okay. Bye.
What?
No, I'm not yet finished.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ogie. That's courtesy of our partner, si Jojo Flores, na kasama rin ni Emmer sa Lasal Alumni Association. So, thank you. Nakakatuwa naman yun, ha? Galing. Okay. So now we'll do the breakout rooms. Mga learners.